In the daily chaos of our working lives, handling your business's Microsoft 365 setup can get tricky. Introducing our Microsoft 365 Optimisation Package, your passport to navigating Microsoft 365 licensing, strengthening your cybersecurity, and unleashing the full potential of Microsoft's powerhouse products. But how does this all work? Let's break it down. It's no secret, Microsoft licensing has never been simple. Luckily, it's our job to understand it. We assess your current Microsoft 365 licenses to ensure that you have the right tools for your business success and helping to eliminate unnecessary licensing costs. As cyber threats mature, your defenses need to strengthen. We examine your security infrastructure, identifying vulnerabilities and providing you with enhanced security across Microsoft's integrated ecosystem, including tools such as Defender and Sentinel, harnessing AI and automation to detect threats sooner and respond faster. Your modern workplace should be continually evolving. There are over 45 products in the Microsoft 365 suite, but how many are you actually using? We look into your workflows and business processes, discovering opportunities to improve collaboration, communication, and efficiency by incorporating additional Microsoft products. So, you've got all this great insight, but what next? Based on our findings, we will create you a personalized set of recommendations to get the absolute most from your Microsoft 365 investment. What's more, our team of Microsoft experts can help ensure a seamless integration of those shiny new solutions into your existing setup. Throughout your journey, Kerv will be there to offer ongoing support, training, and assistance to ensure you keep reaping the rewards of Microsoft 365. Because at Kerv, we believe in turning challenges into triumphs, complexity into clarity, and businesses into unstoppable forces. Get in touch with us today to start your Microsoft 365 optimization journey.